It's been a hot summer so far with lots of broken records, right? And while it's been really warm, we also have to keep in mind the history of data collection.
The observation system has moved around Reno over the years. Angela Schilling explains what that means for our record books.
As the city of Reno continues to grow, temperature readings can change as well. Urban areas tend to be hotter than rural ones, and with the weather observation station changing spots so many different times, there can be a variation of a few degrees between spots.
Development, always development, moving things around, stuff like that. It's hard to keep a weather station intact unless if it's a residential area.
Measurements were a little bit hotter to begin with before moving to the airport because the station was located in a more industrial area, such as the old Reno post office. At one point, it was even located at Morrill Hall at UNR. Temperature readings went down a couple degrees when they moved to the airport, which used to be called Hubbard Field. It was much more rural back then. It's been at its current spot since 1998 and is located next to lots of rocks and concrete with temperatures slightly hotter now as a result. You can actually have a big temperature difference depending on how much shade you have and then just what the surface is made out of. So let's take the grass here in the shade, for example. This one looks to be about 72 degrees. So now we've moved into the hot sun, so let's take a look at how hot the concrete is here. And that one's all the way up to 127. Which is one reason the airport is usually the hottest spot in the area, especially at night. Keep in mind though, readings are taken slightly above ground. When you're looking back at the records and you say like it was the hottest July ever, can you really say that, or?
Well, you could, because there's always a marginal for error, maybe a degree or two.
Covering the story, Angela Schilling, Channel 2 News.